Hello everybody and welcome back. This is a day I've been looking forward to for a while now. I'm finally getting my Jason Fox Homewrecker Coral, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of some high-end corals today. Let's go ahead, get this unboxed so we can get them in the tank and get them acclimating. Alright, the moment of truth. Thank you, Bubba. Those of you that don't know, these are from Bubba on Reef to Reef. I'll post his link in the description down below. Excellent price corals, definitely someone you want to go to when you're looking for high-end corals. Let's go ahead, see what he gave us here. Alright, right up on top, we have our TCK bullfrog. See that frag in there? Nice over an inch piece. This one's actually a blue tip stag. Gave me a freebie in here. Upside down right now. Let's see if I can go ahead and get it flipped over. Actually almost a triple branch piece, so really nice. Plug is completely encrusted on this one. Excellent frag. Here we have a green goblin. So there you guys can see that a little bit better. Mini branches on this piece. Palmer's blue millie. This one I actually already have, but the color on it was more of like a purple, so I saw on Bubba's, his actually are a very dark deep blue, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if this one actually is a little bit darker blue. Awesome that you can actually see the polyps are actually out on this coral right now. That's pretty amazing. Blueberry wine. Nice double branch piece. Lots of growth coming off the side of this one. Battle Coral Spain bow. Look at the size of this frag. It's actually 4 branches coming off this thing. That's pretty amazing. Actually has polyp extension out on this one as well. Next up we have a sunset millie. There we go, got a hold of this one. Of course these are going to be a lot easier to see when I actually get them into the tank. This one is a tricolor Veleta. This one is not a very rare coral, but it's definitely a common one that has some great colors and been in the hobby for a while. But over an inch piece coral frag, great price on this one too from Bubba. Oh, he did not make me wait to the end, it was right in the middle. Here we have the Homewrecker. Look at that. I can actually see some of the great colors coming out of this already. Can't wait to get this one in the tank and see what other colors I get. Also, what's awesome is that when Bubba takes his photos of these corals, he doesn't take them under really blues and actually Photoshop these. What you see is what you get with his photos. They're actually taken under whites, and his Homewrecker actually has great colors, phenomenal colors, even under whites. I'm going to post pictures next to all these corals that Bubba has taken so you can see what they look like, his colonies. Here we have a strawberry shortcake. Nice double branch, big piece. Phenomenal colors on the tips of this one already. I can see the pinks and the greens down low. He also writes what kind of light. This one's medium to high light on every single one, and the name, so you actually know what is in each bag. ARC Patrick Star. Highlight. Inch piece. Pretty well encrusted already. I did have him hold these for about 2 to 3 weeks after he cut them, so I made sure that they were all healed up. Definitely wanted to make sure I was doing that with some of the high-end ones like the Jason Fox Homewrecker. Here we have a CB Maleficent. Double branch on here. And last but not least, we have a RR Pink Cadillac. Excellent size coral here as well. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but every single one of these frags has been a great size. And I noticed that Bubba definitely cuts some really hardy and chunky frags of our Pink Cadillac. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to get these out of these bags, acclimated in the tank, get them on the frag racks, and when they have some polyp extension, I'll come back and give you guys an update on what these corals look like under the blues and the whites, so you can see what kind of color we're getting out of these. watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.